Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can enable voice chat in Roblox. So make sure to watch this video till the end in order to get it properly. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so first of all, open up your Roblox, and if I go to privacy in settings, you can see that it isn't showing up any voice chat option right here. So for it to show you, you will have to verify your age on Roblox. So simply go to account info, and there you will see verify age dialog box. Click on it. It will show you the requirements for verifying your age. Use your phone to scan this QR code, and it will take you to the page where you will have to upload your ID card, or maybe you can upload your driving license and also a picture. After that, thanks message will be popped up. Then if you just reload settings page and go to privacy, you can see the voice chat option is now available. To enable it, simply click on it and agree to terms of services. And there you go. So this is basically how you can enable voice chat on Roblox. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.